Hi everybody and welcome to this week's video. If you're new here, my name is Kaleigh and I do all things home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, pretty much a variety of anything I do here on my channel. So if you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. You can click the big red button down below and it's absolutely free, and that way you'll be notified when I post new videos. So today's video is going to be a cleaning video as well as some home decor updates. I'm starting off this video by showing you guys a fireplace cover I'm making. This was completely inspired by Jessica Giffen here on YouTube. She is amazing. I love her content, so I will link her channel down below, but she gave me this idea completely, so all that credit goes to her. But I just thought it was a really cool way to kind of hide my fireplace when I'm not using it, because we do use ours a lot during the winter and the fall. But I wanted to have something cute to cover during the summer months. So I'm just painting a piece of plywood black that my husband cut for me, and then I'm going to be using these little wood rounds from Hobby Lobby and hot gluing them on. I actually needed about 1 or 2 more bags than I originally bought, so it doesn't look completely finished here, but I got some more bags and I'm going to keep working on it. So probably in the next video I'll show you guys what that looks like updated. So I love the way this turned out though. It's super cute, really easy to do, and Jessica on her channel, she had it where she had like 3 of those super cute little tiles, like peel and stick tiles on the top, and then she would change it out for seasons. But I wanted mine to be just straight wood because I love the way that looks. This is kind of a tedious process, and I've had to super glue things several times because some of the little wood slices kept falling off, but I ended up making it all work and I got a few more packs and now it looks completely finished. So moving into our kitchen, this is also like a nighttime clean with me. I started this in the evening around, I think 5 or 6 o'clock. I got a late start to the day, so it's gonna be like an after dark clean with me, and I hope this can give you guys some motivation to get up and get things going. It's so hard for me to find motivation, especially now when I'm home a lot. I feel like it's just so much easier for me to be lazy, but I need to get things done, and especially before I start back to school this next week, I wanted to make sure my house was clean for the start of a fresh week. I'm showing you guys these curtains that I kind of DIY'd. They're just flour sack cloths that I used with a little tension rod and some clips to make my own little valance curtains, and I love the way these look. They're like literally one of my favorite things in my kitchen right now. So now I'm showing you guys how I'm going to decorate this little hook entryway thing I bought from Kirkland's. I got it on sale for $11, and I got that cute little farmer's market tote from TJ Maxx for only $5.99. So I'm just going to fill it with some greenery. I really didn't know how I wanted this space to look. I saw a lot of inspiration on Pinterest, but I didn't want to have to go out and buy anything new to decorate this space with, so I'm just going to mess around with it, and I end up making a cute little DIY you guys will see in a minute. Okay, so I'm mid-decorating this little area, and I had an idea for a little DIY, super easy. So I have this sign that I got a long time ago at Hobby Lobby, and it just says dog hair is just part of the decor around here. But I didn't want it to say that like when you first walk in. I wanted it to say something cute. So I thought what I'm gonna do is just peel the stickers off the back right here, and then make a little like sticker with my Cricut to put on here. Like I might put our last name and like the year we got married, or I could put like a welcome saying or something. And I thought it'd be a cute way to kind of repurpose this sign that I got. This was originally $4.99 from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought it was a cute way to repurpose it and kind of decorate this area without buying more decor. So we'll see how that goes, but I think I'm gonna try that, and if I can get these stickers off. These are always such a pain to peel off. So I'm just using my Cricut to measure and then create my little sticker. It's so easy to use. I love my Cricut so much. I've used it a ton since I've gotten it a few years ago. And yeah, so I'm gonna make my little Steven sticker. I think it turned out super cute. Like I said, it was really easy and just a nice way to repurpose that sign that had just been sitting in my storage closet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash our sheets. I was doing this kind of late, so I was making sure I would have enough time to do them before we were going to bed. Actually, my husband was gone with my dad and brothers at the lake this weekend, so I had a lot of time to myself to get some things done, because I feel like when he's home, I'm not as productive. I don't know. I feel like we just want to spend time together and be lazy together when he's home. So when he's not home, I take advantage of it and get some things done. I had to recently wash this little comforter that I got off Amazon for my guest room. It said it wasn't machine washable, so I was really nervous, but I ended up washing it on cold and delicate and then just letting it air dry, and it came out perfectly fine. So I think as long as you do that, you're good to go, but I would just be cautious with it because it made me really nervous. But one of my dogs had an accident in here, so I had to wash it, and I didn't want to take it to the dry cleaners like that. It all came clean, so it looks just as good as new. I am the worst when it comes to unpacking after a vacation. So I took this opportunity to finally finish unpacking and put my suitcase away. It had been sitting there for about a week, and that's just crazy. I don't know why I'm so bad about doing that. I needed to declutter my nightstand because I did bring a lot of stuff back out of my suitcase. So I have things I need to put up, but I want to show you guys these Isle Paradise drops. Those are my favorite for sunless tanning, and they look really natural and just I love them, so I wanted to show you guys those. And then I always refill my diffuser with whatever water I didn't drink from the night before, just so I'm not wasting water, and it's just a little system that's worked out nicely. So, one of my absolute least favorite chores in this world is dusting. I don't know why. I literally would rather do any other chore than dust. I hate it, so I figured if I filmed it, it would give me some motivation to dust my whole house in one go. It's not even a hard chore, I just don't like it. What is your least favorite chore to do around the house? I think my second least favorite is cleaning the toilets, but usually my husband does that one for me. But dusting just seems so boring and tedious, and I feel like you don't see as much of a change when you dust. Like, yeah, you can see if it's less dusty, but like picking up your house or doing other chores, it's just more satisfying, and I guess dusting to me isn't. So what is your least favorite chore? Let me know it down in the comments below. So after vacation, you normally have a lot of laundry, so I was able to do all that, and I was gonna fold it all. So I had so much laundry to get folded, and I actually just folded it and put it all away in one setting so I wouldn't have to wait and just leave it on the floor like I usually do, 'cause sometimes I'm bad about that. Always finishing off a room with a good vacuum makes it feel so much nicer and cleaner. And like y'all all know from all my videos, I have 3 rescue dogs and they are shedding like crazy. So I have to vacuum at least once a day. And my little Dyson canister is full after just doing one area every time. So that shows me that I obviously need to be vacuuming way more. So it was around 9:30 when I was filming this part, so I was starting to get really tired, but I wanted to finish off the kitchen and make the countertops clean, wipe them down really good for the next day. I love waking up to a fresh, clean kitchen. There's just something about that, I don't know, it's just one of those simple things in life that make me really happy. So I put in a little bit of extra time, even though I was so ready to get a hot bath and go to bed, and wipe down the countertops, and then I was done for the evening. So I'll show you guys how everything turned out. My house feels so nice now, and I'm excited to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration to decorate and clean your home and just do as much as you feel like doing in one day. Luckily for me, I got it all done in a few hours this night since my husband was gone, and he came home to a super clean house and just made me feel really prepared for the week ahead. So I hope you guys will subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in some of my future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.